Hi everybody, my name is Dr. Ashwin Raje. I'm a clinical psychologist and me and my wife both run a company called Brain Checker. As psychologists, we have helped numerous couples, individuals through psychological tools, helping them solve their problems. As far as Nashik is concerned, we have been practicing here for almost 15 years. Numerous couples come to us and the same kind of questions keep on happening. Me and my wife don't get along. We fight a lot. I am simply not able to understand her. Why does she argue with me? And as far as the wife is concerned, he doesn't understand me at all. When I try to tell him something, he simply ends up giving me solutions. We just don't have the bond anymore. Yes, it was there when you married. You had the sudden dopamine rush and you fell in love and things were really nice for the initial few years. If you are somebody who's recently married, please be aware, this phase is very temporary. In psychology, we think and we believe, based on research, that around 2 years after marriage, the fizz, that is the dopamine in the love, starts getting down, and probably around 6 years after marriage, the dopamine is almost gone. Now, to keep your love alive after 6 years of marriage is a task. There has been no workshop conducted to help couples in Nashik help them rekindle their romance. And that's exactly what Brain Checker is doing. On 16th and 17th of March 2024, Brain Checker is conducting a 2-day workshop exclusively for 20 couples to help them rekindle their romance. It doesn't matter if you are somebody who is recently married. It doesn't matter if you're married for over 20 years. It doesn't matter if you have kids or if you're planning for kids. If you want to love your wife more, and if you are a woman who wants to love your husband more, if you want to understand why he behaves the way he behaves, if you want to rekindle the romance, this is a workshop exclusively designed for you. At the end of this video, give me a call and reach out to my team, and we shall be happy to help you with all the information that you need to enroll you and your spouse in this workshop. Do not waste another day, because such kind of a workshop was never conducted in Nashik, and this is the first time Brain Checker is doing so. We are a Gottman certified relationship counselor, and we are doing this workshop in association with the Gottman Institute in the United States. See you on the 16th and 17th of March 2024 for the Brain Checker Couples Workshop. Bye-bye.